In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then tap on Theme section and apply one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one. Managing keyboarders and hitting apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to, you can always go back to the same settings and customize your theme instead by tapping on this plus under my themes. Then tapping on the photo that you wish to apply, adjusting it, selecting next, and also adjusting brightness by swiping left or right. When you finished, hit done, manage keyboarders, and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!